everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove a watermark from a video using Canva. Let's use this video as an example. It has a visible watermark. In Canva, there's no direct tool to remove watermarks. Instead, we'll use a covering method. Go to the Elements tab, search for Frame, and choose a shape that matches your logo. Since our logo is circular, we'll pick a circular frame. Place the frame over the watermark and adjust its size and position to cover it completely. Next, duplicate the video. Drag the copied video into the frame. Go to Crop and resize the duplicated video to match the original's dimensions. Adjust the position of the duplicated video slightly to ensure the frame hides the watermark. This blends it with the background. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.